How to use Atom virtual card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The Atom virtual card lets you make purchases and pay in installments at both online and in-store retailers that accept Atom. It's a convenient way to manage your spending while enjoying flexible payment options. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Download and register. Install the Atom app from your smartphone's App Store, whether you're using Android or iOS. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a new account or log in with your existing one. Complete your account setup by verifying your identity and linking a payment method such as a valid credit or debit card. Step 2. Activate your virtual card. Next, navigate to the virtual card section within the Atom app. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your virtual card. This usually involves confirming your linked payment method and agreeing to any applicable terms and conditions. Once activated, your card will be ready for use. Step 3. Shop online or in-store. To make a purchase online, go to the checkout page and select Atom as your payment option. Log into your Atom account when prompted, and the virtual card will be automatically used for the transaction. For in-store purchases, check if the retailer accepts Atom and follow similar steps through the app. With your Atom virtual card set up, you can enjoy a seamless shopping experience and spread your payments over time without hassle. So that's basically how you can use Atom virtual card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.